Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy F14 and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So if for some strange reason on the status bar you've got only the battery indicator without the percentage, all you have to do is to enter the settings, then let's scroll down in order to find battery in device care, and then tap on the battery. Right here we have to scroll down and tap on more battery settings, and as you can see right here on the second position we've got show battery percentage option, which is obviously in my case turned on. If you've got only the indicator, it is turned off, so all you have to do is to tap on the switcher, and from now on your device will display the exact percentage of the usage of the battery next to the battery icon. So basically that's all. This is how to show battery percentage on the status bar in your Samsung Galaxy F14. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.